the non-farm payrolls report, looking at a preview via Deutsche Bank. They say in terms of expectations, both their economists and of course the consensus peg payrolls at 160,000, so they're going in line with the Reuters Bloomberg economists. They say from the Fed's perspective, the year-over-year trend in private employment is more important, as this needs to outpace the trend in labour force growth in order to keep downward pressure on the unemployment rate. They pick up the comment from Fed's Mester we heard this week, reminding us recently that monthly payroll gains in the range of 75,000 to 120,000 would be still consistent with underlying trend in overall output growth. As for the rest of the report, they say the consensus expects unemployment to hold steady at 3.6, with earnings to rise 3% month on month, and hours to hold at 34.4. That economists also expect earnings to rise 3%.
Got some highly volatile news.
However, they do expect hours
right
to take
now.
up to 34.5. Meanwhile, Goldman going with a slightly higher than consensus 160,000. They go for 175,000 for this headline number. Unemployment rate they see at 3.7% versus the consensus at 3.6%, citing a rise in continuing claims they've been seeing in the data. Average hourly earnings as well, they're a little bit more bullish on the print, going for up 4% month to month in June versus the consensus 3%. But year on year they see that at 3.2% in line with the consensus.
Alright, let's rock it. Nice, still 4 minutes to go anyway. There's already some kind of reaction going on.
Euro's pushing up, huh?
Yeah, it's pushing pretty hard.
Just a quick preview at the Canadian jobs report via TD Securities. They look for the Canadian economy to add 5,000 jobs. As we said, the consensus was for it to add 10,000, slightly below the market consensus. Other elements of the report, they said, should prove more upbeat in their opinion, with unemployment rate holding at 5.4%, while wage growth is expected, they say, to firm to 2.8% year on year from 2.6%.
Looks like it might go to 9.5. That's where I had my original target for Euro US. 695.
There's a lot of action going on.
And for this non-farm payrolls report, in terms of the bank broker ranges, the median, as we said, was 160,000. The most bullish print on the street is CIBC going with 205,000. Goldman, as we said, 175,000. Jefferies, 185,000.
Bastard, it just hit 9.5, my target.
Yeah, you just said it like 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, but I didn't want to talk during the news.
No, you said it before. I'm 99% sure. And then Morbo starts talking, and then it happened.
Just a heads up, then, just under 3 minutes time.
Yeah.
Numbers, just recapping all the estimates. Non-farm payrolls expected to come in at 160,000. Unemployment expected to come in at 3.6%. Earnings month on month expected to come in 3%, with year on year expected to come in at 3.2%. Canada-wise, employment change is expected up 10,000. Unemployment rate expected in at 5.5%, with the earnings expected to come in at 2.7%, with participation rate expected in at 65.7%. Private payrolls expected in at 153,000, with manufacturing payrolls for the US expected unchanged.
Let's see what happens now.
I think it's gonna go there.
All in.
All in.
Go bro or go home.
1 minute.
All right. There's already quite a lot of activity.
Just gone 30 seconds. We'll lead with non-farm payrolls headline.
Dollar at the VWAP.
Look at that spread.
There we
10
go.
seconds. $224,000. Unemployment rate 3.7%. Earnings month on month spot 2%. Prior revised spot 3%. Year on year 3.1%. Canada employment change down 2,200. Unemployment rate 5.5%. Earnings year on year 3.6%. Participation rate 65.7. Full-time employment up 24,100. Part-time employment down 26,200. Private payrolls out the US 191,000, prior revised 83,000, manufacturing payroll 17,000, government payrolls 33,000, prior revised down 11,000. The headline number to recap: US non-farm payrolls 224,000, smashing estimates of 160,000, prior revised slightly downward to 72,000 from previous prior 75,000. Unemployment rate 3.7% higher than the consensus 3.6%. Earnings month on month slightly softer, spot 2% on estimates of spot 3. Year on year as well softer, 3.1 less estimates of 3.2. The prior revised for the earnings month on month to spot 3%, slightly upward on the previous prior of spot 2.
Look, it's not dropping as hard as I thought it would drop. Cable's holding pretty well.
Yeah, that's strange. Look at that VWAP reversal on the dollar. It's like 2 the pip.
It does look nice. Well, all the pairs are holding quite well, huh?
Yeah, it's not like it was in the early days. Well, early days is the wrong word. Like it was like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Then shit just started moving and didn't stop.
Oh wow, why do you think that is?
Well, because it's all a big mess. I guess. I don't really know. Most of the stuff is priced in already.
Yeah. Ah, it's pushing back up now, wow. Is it maybe the retail traders that could have an effect like this, maybe? Or even on NFP, they don't have that much of an impact, even though most of them would be trading.
No, it is priced in already, and now it's just order placements, profit taking. And you don't need to. News are basically used to avoid pools because pools are not cheap.
Okay. I'm gonna have dinner. Hopefully it'll calm down in a few minutes or half an hour.
What come down?
Oh, calm down, calm down.
Oh yeah, sure. Show is basically over already. Oh well,
Yeah.
your solar cat is still moving. Icy cat is still moving. Yeah, but the dollar pairs, I'm not so sure. Cable didn't move much.
Holy crap, that one moved. That's a long bar. I might actually set a sell limit at 1147.
I guess it isn't over yet.
This in FX, the dollar CAD continues to push higher here, 131.10 on broader dollar strength as well. We had a weaker than expected Canadian employment change, and of course a far higher than expected headline non-farm payrolls number.
I would never ask you to give up, thanks. I just wanna give you all I can. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. You don't need to tell me that you love me. I don't mind waiting for it to show.
USD CAD's so close to hitting my sell on it.
There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. Ooh, yeah. For you I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So I wanna start illusion with you. Yeah, I wanna start illusion with you. This is where I'm meant to be. You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go or let you down. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah. For you I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start revolution with you. Yeah, I'm gonna start revolution with you. 'Cause this is where I'm meant to be. You've been trying so hard, giving all that you got, holding on hard to the past. Don't forget who you are. Is it worth it or not? It will never ever last. Oh, look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, is what I'm saying. Don't waste your life. He's not the one, 'cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake. You need to know, just let him go. Just let him go. Just let him go. Deep inside in your heart, you still hope that he cares. You've been waiting up all night. And tell me, why do you think he's not there with you now? Been right there by your side.
US 10-year yields continue to push higher as we go back above the 2% area. Federal Fund futures implied traders still fully expect a rate cut at Fed's July 30th, the 31st policy meeting, but they scale back their view on a 50 bips rate cut to 15%, that via CME's Group's FedWatch tool.
Turn the
on, USD CAD.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you.
You gotta be kidding. Oh my god, my US yen sell limit. How many?
I don't see it. Just have a look. Oh,
My sell limit for US yen was 461 and it went up to 460. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I just wanted a 2-3 pip scalp. Oh, that's so annoying.
Wake up with you by my side. Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives.
Looks like it just bounced off the weekly pivot. The pivot's at 462.
Sometimes I wonder
Oh, my USD CAD just took profit.
you are special. Yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side.
That's a bitch thing for the US yen to do. The weekly pivot's at 462 and it only went up to 460.
I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you, there is no tomorrow.
It's an SCMP piece out saying China may offer reduced tariffs to push through mega regional trade pact. It's not related to the US, but there's an upcoming summit with the Asian nations, and the report citing that it may reduce some tariffs related to some of those countries attending that summit.
should have stayed in USD CAD longer.
comes to shove.
Not sure this is gonna happen. 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 Not sure this is gonna happen.
If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love? My love, my love, my love, my love,
Discord chat. It's free.
Whatever I do
Yeah, that's it for today. Now close up shop.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, I'm gonna get in and out.
Alright everyone, have a good weekend and see you on Monday Asia session.